Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set pause pointer auto click with a corner action in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accessibility. Now in accessibility, click on interaction and dexterity, and here in interaction and dexterity scroll down and then click on auto action after pointer stops. Now first of all, turn on this auto click button and then it will show you a pause auto click with option. Now tap on this option and from here you can set the pause pointer auto click with top left corner action, top right corner action, or bottom left corner action or bottom right corner action. So just simply tap on option to select. So that's how you can set pause pointer auto click with a corner action in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.